This is still running. Okay guys, this seems to be one of those out with the old, in with the new situation. This is the loud kind of brrr sort of sounding one that we're all used to. I kept the box so I could show you what came in it. And I needed to replace this. It works, it's just so loud. I started doing some research and I found out about this mesh nebulizer. Had it for a few days, used it, I am thrilled. But I did want to explain the difference between the two, why I actually purchased this. This is a jet nebulizer, which means that it is compressed air that is forced through that long winding tube that you have plugged into here, and you play tube Jenga and try to get out all the knots. We have this on your face, so you're doing sort of like a Darth Vader moment. And then you fill this tank. Compressed air, it's being pushed through this line, and then it creates negative energy and it pulls this liquid up out of this reserve and it atomizes it into small particles so that it can go into your lung. The mesh one is basically, it has like a little vibrating mesh contraption in here. And inside here, there are like, I think this one has like 2,600 laser drilled holes. And it is that vibration that creates the aerosol mist. So how does any of that matter to you? Even if the noise from this one didn't make you crazy, this one is whisper quiet. It's insane. When I turn it on, you're gonna be like, turn it on. I'm gonna be like, I did. Particle size is smaller, which means that it gets further down into your lungs. And that is super important as we head into cold, cough, flu, and God knows what else season. Portable. This thing, guys, look, I mean, I have the world's smallest hands, and look, it fits. It's about almost 5 inches tall and about 1.5 inches wide. Compared to this is like a Mac Daddy and a Prius. But that said, this works better. It works better because the particles are smaller, so they can go further into your lungs. So it's one of those situations where it's just better, period. It's quiet, it works better, it works faster. You have to put 2 AA batteries back here, and they do not come with it. I'm absolutely like obsessed with Amazon Basics batteries because they work. It has 3 modes: strong, mild, and self-cleaning. Yes, you heard me correct, self-cleaning. So it does come with this little cap on it. You just pull that off. And then look, it comes with this tiny little bag, as opposed to, guys, not even playing. I mean, this is the bag that with all the, we have this bag and it has 2 masks for 2 different sizes. And I love that because you can, well, actually 3, because this one, you can use it like sitting up, laying down. All right, this is how you charge it if you don't want to use batteries. You do that right there. I'll show you how to use it. This is the reservoir. You just put it in here. And that was one of the main things about this that annoyed the you-know-what out of me. Every time I filled it, you know, you have to hold it and try to fill it and then, yeah, no thanks. So you literally just take this and pop this on here. I mean, guys, what high technology called? And this is made in the USA, literally like 1/4 pound. I mean, the things that I use in it. So you can use saline solution. I'm gonna do a whole video next week, so subscribe if you don't wanna miss that. And it's gonna be like how to naturally treat your lungs. In the event that you had lung problems. It's a saline solution, and it comes in like 100 pack of these little vials, and you literally just twist this off, just put it in this reservoir. Or you can use this, which is my personal favorite. Guys, I mean, I'm gonna do a review on this separately, but this is bioactive silver. It's amazing. So you can use either one of these or whatever medication that you've been given by your doctor. So we're gonna put it in here. It should be roughly a teaspoon. Remember how I was saying how much of a pain this is to fill? Because I can't just like set this here and fill it because, you know, he'll just go to sleep on the job. But guys, okay, take these off obviously. This will stand up by itself, which makes filling the reservoir tank, it's just, this is a yes, love this product. Now, if I were just cleaning this thing, I would be running this through it. But I do this as a breathing treatment too sometimes. Like if I just have a cough that just will not stop, this really helps to like calm my lungs down. We're gonna turn this on, lock that into place. Okay, the little on button, guys. I don't know if y'all can even see this mist because it is so fine. So that's strong, that's mild, that's off. Friends, in case anybody like hasn't had the pleasure, I'm not saying that these machines do not work, these nebulizers, they do. Let me tell you that during a certain health situation, you guys might remember, I became very ill multiple times, and using this was, let's just say, I'm very happy that I had one of these on hand. Listen to this, let me plug this thing in. I still love you, Big Bertha. And I will still keep this one because what I do not want to be without is a nebulizer. So let me see if I can run them at the same time so you can see the mist. I don't know if y'all can actually see that or not. I mean, I can literally see, God, I wish you could see it from this angle. I can see how much finer this mist is. This is crazy. Both. This is still running. Sometimes you just get a product where you're like, I don't really have to say very much because little guy here is just doing all the work. I would have to say, if you have children, elderly, anybody who doesn't like to sit still, if you're on the go, whatever the case, guys, this is something that I will be gifting to people this year because that is how impressed I am with this product. So could not be happier with this. I hope you guys found that helpful. Stay healthy and stay safe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.